Hello everyone. In this session, I would like to discuss how we can deploy node application in my AWS EC2 instance. For that, first create an EC2 instance in your AWS. So let me log in into aws.imagine.com console. If you not sign up, first of all, create an account. It's a free account. Just create an account and then sign in. I already created an account. My credentials and everything I saved so that directly I can log in. Here you can see the search bar. Just type EC2. Just type EC2. Okay. Once you type it, you can find this item in the search. Just click on the EC2. Now onwards, just follow my steps. First, in the left side, if you see one menu, create a security group first. Why we need to create, I will tell. Create a security group. Okay, here you can give any name based on your requirement. You can give and create a security group. That's it. And then one more thing I would like to ask you, create a key pairs for authentication purpose. Create a key pair. You can give the key pair name. Any name you can give it EC2 node. This is my key pair. Okay, don't change anything. .ppk file only I want. Just create a key pair. Once you create a key pair, see this, you can download. You can see one file in the downloaded folders. You can see one file in the downloaded folders. This is the file. Just cut it, place somewhere on your desktop or somewhere you can keep it. Why the security group and key pair required, I will tell later. Now you can start your work. Go to EC2 dashboard and click on this one, create an instance. Select Linux and then select my configuration instance and add storage and then add tags. Okay, and then configure security group. Now I ask, create a new security group. Already you created, right? So that select an existing security group. What you select here, see this. This is the security group you created, right? Just you can select that one and then review and launch. And ignore this warning, no problem. Continue and click on launch. Now see this. Here choose an existing key pair already you created, right? That one automatically it's going to take in. Now click on this one, launch instance. Your instance or running, so that view instances just okay. There has two more instances are there. Those are already terminated. Don't think about that one. Just the middle one, this one just I created. Okay. It takes some time to create, leave it. My EC2 instance is ready. Now the next thing is what? You have to create a node application. I created this node application by using Express framework. If you want to check how we created this application, just go through my node videos. You can easily understand. Let me open that particular application. Yes, this is my application. This is my root file, app.js. My root file is running on localhost 2020. I just created one simple REST API call. This is my REST API call. Don't concentrate on the code. Our goal is how to deploy this one in the EC2 instance. So that this is my API call. If you want to check this API call is working or not, first of all, run your application. I run this application by using nodemon app, where my application is running. Application is running on localhost 2020. My user path is what? User file path. My user file path is like users. See this. Okay, that means my application on running on localhost 2020. From there, you should have to go to users file, and then you should have to hit the get name API call. If I hit this one, my output is like what? Get Sachin. For example, if you change like Dhoni, okay. If you come here, if I click on this one, yes, it should be Dhoni or not. Yes, my node application is working as expected. So that my EC2 instance is there, my node application is there. Now onwards, our actual discussion is going to start. So that come here first. See my EC2 instance is running or not? Yes, it's running. So that if you want to deploy your local machine code, first of all, you should have to connect with your AWS machine or not. My code in my local machine. If you want to keep this code in my AWS machine, if you want to send this code, I need to connect with that AWS machine. My machine is this one, which is running on this particular IP address. Okay, so that can we connect with this AWS mission? How we can connect means there are some softwares over there. One is like WinSCP, another one is like FileZilla like this. So that connect with the WinSCP. How we can, just click on the new site. The host name we asked for, right? This is my host name. We can give it. Host name we can give it. Okay, don't change this as FTP. And my username he asked for, right? The username, if you observe here, my instances, this is my instance, mine. Okay, select that one, connect. Now my EC2 user is my username. So that we can write like EC2 user is my username. And click on the advanced. Click on the advanced. See this, I already told to you. On private key, it's downloaded, right? Okay, that one we use to at the time of creating an instance. That private key you can select here. So that my private key is this one on my desktop. This is my private key. Okay, once it is done, you can save it. Okay, give name like EC2 or something. Say okay. Okay, just click on login. Will it work or not? Just check it. Searching for the host. Host is trying to search for the host. It may not allow. Why? Because of the security group. So that can you go to your instance, just go to the security group. Go to the security group. Now see this security, this is my security group. Click on the security group. Okay, here inbound rules are there. Edit inbound rules. Here add a rule. Okay, that rule is like all topic. Okay, just you can from anywhere you can select and save this rule. That change you have to do. Now you can come here. Now say this authentication username, my public key, and my session started. Yes, I'm able to connect it. Say this. This is my local machine. In my local machine, where is my code? My code is not here. In my local machine, where is my code? My code is on my desktop or not? This is my code. In my local machine, this is my code. Okay, this is my node code in my local machine. This is what this is your AWS machine. So that this code you have to keep here. How you run the code in your local machine, same like this you have to run here. So that create one folder here. Create one folder. Okay, what folder name? Workspace or something you can create. Workspace folder you can create. Yes, one folder I created. In this workspace folder, just you can move this code. Node modules don't move it. Node modules is like heavy folder. So that remaining folders and files you can move it. Remaining files and folders you can move it. Like this you can move it. Okay. Now it takes some time to move. Moving the code from your local machine to your server memory is nothing but deployment. Just I am deploying the code. Now, if you want to run this application, node application, first of all, dependencies are required, right? What dependencies? All my dependencies inside my node modules. I said like node modules, don't drop it. It takes so much time. So that if you want to get the node modules in my AWS mission, first of all, you have to install node or not. You have to install node. Okay, once you install node, go to this folder and do npm install. That means I want to connect with this mission through terminal now. Through terminal, then only, right? I can install, okay, whatever the softwares you want, you can install through Linux, if it is like Linux mission. So that if you want to connect through terminal, okay, we have one more software is there that is called Putty is the software. Now here, say this, the thing is, here you can load it. Whom you want me to connect, already just I created. If you want to delete, you can delete, it's not a matter. First of all, with whom you want me to connect, with this particular, go to my EC2 instances. Now click on this instance. With this particular one you have to connect or not. Copy this one and place there. Okay, this is my putty, and remove this one and paste it. Okay, just it is asks only that particular URL only. Load it. Just give this name and save. Now say this, it's loaded or not. What is this one? 63201. Yes, loaded. Perfect. And then you have to add private key. Now come here. Okay, click on SSH, click on auth. Here you can give the private key. Now click on this one, just open it. Now see, it's open in the terminal. What is my username to connect with the instance? EC2 user is my username or not. Now see, now yes, you connected. Now, see this, is it really connected with this machine only? I want to check it. So can you check my LS, okay, folder, see this workspace folder is there or not? Inside the workspace, if you want to go to the workspace, yes, you can go to the workspace. Inside this, how many files and folders are there? See this app.js, bin, package.json. So that both are pointing to same mission or not? Both are pointing to same mission or not? Yes or no? Okay, done. Now, what's our requirement? You have to install Node software in your mission. So that just go to the root user, sudo su. It's a Linux commands. Okay, see this. In the past, you are in the EC2 user. Now you are in the root user. Now, if you want to check a node is there or not, node is there or not. See this node is not there. So that can we install node? Simple. Go to your Google. Just type like this. Install node in EC2 instance. AWS EC2 instance. Okay, if you come here, see this, the document is coming from AWS only. The document is coming from AWS only. Just follow the steps. See this, he is asking like run this command, just run it, run. After that, run this command. First, he is installing nvm node version manager, and then he is going to install node. Now, after that, you can install this node. After that, you can install this node. Yes. Okay, now my node is installing. Now see my node is there or not? Yes, my node is there or not? Okay, so that we can come out from this. Control C is the shortcut. Yes, my node is there. If you want to check the node version, my node version is this one. My npm version is this one. Yes. Now you are in the root user, right? Come out from the root user. Just click on exit. Okay, so you can clear your console. Now you should have to go to where? You should have to go to this workspace folder and do npm install. Then only you can get the node modules. So that's cd workspace. So now the next thing is what? You have to do npm install command. Now npm install command. npm install. Okay, npm is not, there is not an issue. Just go to your sudo su. Okay, from there you can navigate. Okay, cd workspace. You are in the workspace only, right? Okay, no problem. npm install. Now you can, it should work. Now see this. Well, because you install your node application, node software to my root user. So if you come here, now see it's going on. Can you check is it really working or not here? Node module is creating or not? Okay, reconnect. Now come here, it's reconnecting. Yeah, node module is created or not? Node module is created. Now, yes, once my node modules is ready, can we run your application? So how we can run it? My node app. No, my node application is running or not? Now, in the past, if you want to check how my node is working here, localhost 2020 like this, you checked or not? But you should not check like localhost 2020. Now, my node application is not running on the localhost. My node application is running on EC2 instance or not? For my EC2 instance, see this is my IP address. So you can use that IP address here. Now, if I click on this one, yeah, hello Tony, it's working or not? Now, this particular URL, anyone in this world can access it. In the past, it's localhost. I only can access, but this particular one, anyone can access in this world. This is the way we can deploy our node application in your EC2 instance. And one more thing is like, now once you shut down this one, once you close this one, once you close this putty, okay, see this, you are terminating this one. Once you terminated, then the time, now if I click on this one, now you shut down your, what is that? You shut down your node app or not? So that what happened? If you shut down the node app, then that time you are not able to reach that particular server. So if I shut down also, if I close my putty also, my application should always up and run. For that purpose, you have to do one thing. Don't run your application by using node. Okay, by using pm2 command, we can run that one. If you run that node application by using PM2 command. If you close that particular terminal, is nothing but putty and everything, okay, automatically my application always up and running. So that what you have to do, let me open putty again. Let me open putty again. Just connect with the putty first. Connect with that. If you want to connect SSH, auth, and browse and EC2 and click on open. Click on open. Go to my EC2 user. EC2 user. Yes. Okay. Go to my root user. Sudo sup. You are in the root user. Go to my workspace. Yes. Go to your workspace. Now run this command. npm install -g pm2 is the command. pm2 is the command. Just install that one. Once you install, you can run your application by using PM2 command. How you can run, PM2 start. PM2 start, like this you can use it. Just wait, it's going on. Okay, now you can run PM2 start. What's my application name? app.js or not? app.js. Now if I click on this one, now it's running. If I refresh my page, okay, see this, hello Dhoni, it's there or not? Now if you close this one also, no problem at all. Okay, if you terminate this one also, now see this, it's running or not? Okay, if you want to open this one anywhere, okay, click on this one. Yes, it go to one request, go to my node application and get this response or not. Okay, like that, by using PM2 command, we can start your application. This is the way we can deploy our node application in your EC2 instance. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.